This is just my Pillsbury candy cane sugar cookie dough. Oh yeah, we're getting ready for the holidays. We are going to pick up our cookie dough and bring in our mini skillets. How fun are these? And we are gonna put our cookie dough right into our mini skillets, get them nice and full of this delicious candy cane cookie dough. Now, if you can't find the candy cane cookie dough, you can use chocolate chip, you can use sugar cookie, you can use whatever your heart desires. I just thought this would be nice and festive, so I went for it. Also, feel free to make your own homemade cookie dough. Whatever you desire, just go for it. We are just gonna smush down that cookie dough right into our skillets. This is gonna be so fun. It's great for like a holiday party, or if you're doing like a little Christmas movie night. This is the dessert you're gonna want to make. All right, we have our mini skillets all full with cookie dough. Now we're coming in with some Christmas M&Ms. Look how beautiful those are in there. This is just gonna add a great pop of color. We're just gonna sprinkle them right on. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just get a couple on each of them. Oh yeah, this is just gonna make them look so fun and festive. Now, if you don't have mini skillet cast irons, you can use one big cast iron for this recipe, or even a pizza pan. You'll see what fun we're doing after we pull these out of the oven. Okay, let's just get that nice pop of color on there. I just think that's so pretty. I love these M&Ms, and I obviously had a big bag of them, and I don't want them to go to waste. Look how cute that is. And chocolate and peppermint is a winning combo. All right, perfect. Now these are gonna go in the oven. My oven is set to 350 and they just need to cook for about 15 minutes. While the cookies are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a big bowl. I have 2 blocks of cream cheese that I softened. Put that right in there. Oh yeah, that looks great. We have 2 sticks of butter softened. I'm using salted butter, but if you're worried about your sodium, you can use unsalted. Now we're gonna grab some vanilla extract, and we are just gonna do a nice little splash in there. We need about 4 teaspoons total. Beautiful. Now, to sweeten this baby up, we have some powdered sugar, and we are gonna load it up with the powdered sugar because we are making a cream cheese frosting. Yeah, this is gonna taste so delicious on those peppermint cookies. It's so easy, and it's gonna look amazing when we put it on those cookies because we're gonna do it in a fun and festive way. Okay, so we need about 4 cups of the powdered sugar. I know that seems crazy, but that's just how you make frosting, you guys. Handy dandy hand mixer, and we're going to blend until it's frosting. Nice and quick. Okay, that is looking like frosting. Let's empty our little whisks, but we're not done yet. I want this to be a festive holiday color, so I'm gonna add some green food dye. If you do not want to make your own homemade frosting, the Pillsbury cream cheese frosting will work just as well, but I just figured since frosting is so easy, I'm gonna make my own today. Why not, right? And this recipe is hands down the best. Okay, let's mix in that green food dye. We want a really vibrant, Christmas tree green. All right, you guys, our cream cheese frosting is ready for those peppermint cookies. Let's go ahead and grab those out of the oven. All right, we took our little cast irons out of the oven and I let them cool completely. Now it is time to decorate them. Now I transferred my homemade frosting into a piping bag, and this is where the fun begins. We are gonna clean up those edges with our frosting, and these are gonna look like a very recognizable holiday decoration. And I'm just using a fun little tip you can get at any craft store. Look how cute that is. Okay, let's get that frosting on each of our cast irons. All right, so these are our little Christmas wreaths, yes. So I'm gonna grab some sprinkles to really bring them to life. You can use whatever sprinkles you like. I just like these little balls because I think they're so beautiful and elegant, and they can just make a big punch with our little cookie wreaths. Now I'm gonna finish mine off with these super festive little sprinkles that have the Christmas trees in them. But you know, you guys could do like a little fondant bow if you have that kind of skill. You know what, I'm gonna pour these in my hand just so I can get more control, because we only want sprinkles on the wreath part. Oh yeah, or how do you say wreath? Is it wreath? Like, I feel like I always say it wrong. So you guys correct me in the comments. I just say wreath, but I know that's like not the right way to say it, but that's how I've always heard it. Okay, let's go ahead and get these done so we can enjoy them. Oh my gosh, okay, they're all done. It is time to take a bite. It looks so good. Now remember, these are cooled down so I can grab them like this. I'm just gonna dig on in. It's like a pizookie. Oh, look, it can come right out. Even better if you wanted to do that. I personally just want to dig in my little cast iron. That is so delicious, you guys. You gotta try it.